Hello, boys and girls. For your math assignment today, you have to make sure that your screen is open so you're able to drag and type and do all the interactive things that you may be asked to do during math. So the first thing to do is to find and click on the escape button, the one with the ESC on your Chromebook. Will open up your window just like this, and you'll be able to see all your math assignments on the side. For the first 4 activities, you have to count the objects and find the one that has one more than 5. Which one has one more than 5? Once you find it, you will select the circle and drag it to the set that has one more than 5. If you forget the instructions, there's going to be audio on each of the slides. All you have to do is click on it and press the play button. So for the first 4 activities, you're going to be dragging the circle to the set that has one more than the number we give you. For this one is one more than 6, one more than 9, and this one is one more than 4. So you have to find which set has just one more than 4. For the next couple of slides, you're going to be filling in the empty square on the pumpkin of the missing number. So we give you the number 8 and the number 10. You have to figure out what number goes in the middle. Click on the box and type in your answer. Again, there's an audio box if you forget the instructions. Here, the same thing. You have to put the number that is missing, the number that is missing, number that is missing. It's all the same. And then for the last 4 activities, you have to drag the circle just to the area that has more. So does this side have more or this side have more? You have to drag the circle. The circle is not going to circle the whole thing, but just put it on top of where you think there is more candies. And you're going to do the same for the last 3. And there's always audio box. Remember to try your best. And when you're finished, you're going to click back on present, and then that way your videos will start automatically. So that's all you have to do for math today. I can't wait to see your work.